This video we will be showing you how you can fix if your Reolink notifications are not sending. First is to check your phone settings. Go to your phone system settings and head to the applications and then head to the Reolink and toggle on the notifications and ensure that all permissions like banner, sounds, lock screen are all enabled. Prevent the OS from killing the application. So check the battery settings for any restrictions on the Reolink app and ensure that Google services are working correctly and not restricted. You can also check your Reolink app settings. In the Reolink app, go to the device settings and click on the push notifications and toggle it off and then on. And verify the motion detection if it is enabled. Its sensitivity is adjusted in detection alert settings. You can also check your custom push schedule to ensure that the alerts are not restricted to certain times. And you can also use the task button in the notification settings to check its functionality. And that's how you can fix your Reolink notifications if they are not sending. And thank you for listening.